Namaste Yogis. Today my topic is Vahye Kumbhak, which is called external restraining of breath. So it's a very interesting working for those who are in regular yogic practice and they want to enhance their regularity with proper yogic practices. So as I always mention, if you're a serious yogi, this platform is exactly for you. So thank you for watching. And as I mentioned in my last video, the meaning of Kumbhak. So as Kumbhak is basically to restrain when we hold the breath internally or externally. So as we hold it internally, it is called Antar Kumbhak. So Antar Kumbhak is that force, or we have this force in yogic way, our prana. If we consider prana, it's called more than a deity. So as we go to praise deities, basically we in yogic world, we pray our own pranic system. So like Kumbhak, everyone needs to practice because Kumbhak is that force of prana in which we practice to restrain. We try not to use it that much. Basically, we are trying to attain that level. If we will go in that depth, we are trying to attain that state of samadhi. And if you are aware about Ashtanga Yoga, the purpose of yoga is to attain samadhi. While we are sitting in postures, why are we doing breathing? It's all about to attain that super consciousness. And to attain super consciousness, if we think within one day, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, it may happen. It may happen, but it depends. It depends what kind of practice you are doing. I will show you how to practice Antar Kumbhak. Then I will show you how you can make this Antar Kumbhak with bandha. Basically, those three major bandhas we can use during Kumbhak. But simply, if you want to practice Antar Kumbhak, sit in a very comfortable pose. Align your back. Shoulders are fully opened. So you have all the space on your diaphragm. You will take only one breath. It should be deep. What is Kumbhak? Now I'm holding. I'm not trying to release it easily. Normal person, 10 seconds are easy. 20 to 30, it takes a bit long. So whenever you exhale, the yogic practices, they are only about your concern, about your breathing pattern. So what I did, I took a long breath, I did hold, I restrained, and I'm controlling over according to my capacity. When I want to exhale, for the second part, how to use your Antar Kumbhak with bandha. So as I mentioned, there are three bandhas. I will show you two with this Antar Kumbhak. So as you will inhale, you're putting your chin down, which is Jalandhar bandha, and you're pulling your abdomen up. As you wish to exhale, you will open these two locks. First your chin up, abdomen down. So this is called to practice Antar Kumbhak with the bandhas. So bandhas are basically for advanced yogis who are already in that highest level. So I would say if you're a beginner, you may start just to practice to control over the exhalation, because we have that tendency. We are not using our breathing properly. We have very short breathing. Sometimes if you have time, please check your own breathing. What is the pattern? And you will understand when you are aware. Then you may employ these advanced practices. So Kumbhak is a very powerful way. And now I will come the benefits. What happens when you start to practice Kumbhak, Antar Kumbhak? So when you start to practice Kumbhak, basically the same variation as we produce electricity after making dams. We store the water and we use the force. So this same concept, because this is the energy, this is our vital force. What we are doing, we are storing and we are generating force. So for the physical body, It's it's like high voltage shock. Get a lot of power from internal side. Your oblique muscles, internal oblique, external benefits of your antar kumbhak for mental body. So basically, you become very much into that self confidence. A lot of confidence it comes up. You're mentally strong as well. You will be very much concentrated because we are working with prana. So you have the value of each and every single prana. You utilize the prana to be very careful because now your practice is to preserve everything, because before you were just wasting, you are not utilizing your energy in a good way, in a proper way. But as you are in the yogic way, you're aware, you're mature, as we say, you attain that maturity. Now will come the most important practice after yogic practices, spirituality. As we say, spiritual awakening, you should practice it. Basically, you should practice yoga is 99% practical. You should check when you hold this force, what happens, what is there is an action, so of course the reaction is there. So you may feel that reaction, but reaction in a good way, because it gives you a lot of pleasure, a lot of internal satisfaction. You will work on your desires, you will not run for nothing. The things will start to come to you, because this is the resistance force. As much you will start to make the distance, the things are connected with you. It's the law of the universe. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please don't hesitate to press like button, put your comments, share the video if it can go to persons who are looking for the information. And thank you for watching.